Take a look at this video. I created it using AI in just 2 minutes, and it looks completely real. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos just like this using artificial intelligence. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's take a quick look at this YouTube channel. It's earning around $4,200 every month, and every single upload is a carpet cleaning ASMR video. The best part? These videos are getting millions of views, and they're all created using AI. All right, let's get started. First, head over to the link in the pinned comment to get the carpet cleaning prompt. During this video, the password will appear right here on the screen, so make sure you're paying close attention because you'll need it to unlock the prompt. I'm going to type the password, then click Submit. Once that's done, you'll see the prompt link appear here. Click on it and it will open automatically. Wait for the page to finish loading, then click Copy Master Prompt. And now, let's head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt right here and let the magic happen. In just a few seconds, the AI will generate 10 different ideas for you. All we have to do is choose one of them, and I'm going with idea number 1. I'll simply type the number 1 and press Send. Once that's done, ChatGPT will instantly generate 2 scenes for us. Now it's time for the real action. First, copy the image prompt and head over to the Google Flow website. Click New Project, wait for the page to finish loading, then select Image here and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Choose X1 and the Nano Banana 2 model. Now paste your prompt into the box and click Send. Once your image has been generated, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Return to the Flow website, click here, then select Video followed by Frames. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, the speed to X1, and choose the Omni Flash model with an 8-second duration. Next, click on the image we just generated, select Animate, paste the prompt, and hit Send. After the first video is finished, go to its very last frame and click Save Frame. This keeps the animation perfectly seamless with absolutely 0 cuts. Finally, head back to ChatGPT, copy Video Prompt 2, return to Flow, click on the last saved frame, select Animate, paste the prompt, and click Send. And that's it. The secrets behind these incredibly satisfying carpet cleaning ASMR videos are now yours. Good luck!